Hi students, this is Miss Olson. I got an email asking how sources were used in A3. So I wanted to send a video update in case this wasn't clear for more than one of you, which I'm sure it's not. If one of you has a question, I know that there are many of you who have that question. So this is a brief review of how sources are being used in A2 and A3. As a reminder, you are shifting your audience from a large stakeholder group to a single human being who is a stakeholder in your issue. That person might be part of the same stakeholder group. It might be somebody else who is also a stakeholder. So they will not have read your A2. So you are going to use some of your A2 research, most likely in the background and problems section of your proposal in order that they understand the exigence for why you're proposing the thing that you're proposing. So last night in my email, I sent you an A3 student sample. I've put that under A3 resources right under the hierarchy of rhetorical concerns, but this is a great student sample. And you'll notice that her stakeholder, she says very clearly, is the Minister of Education. And then in the problem section, look, she's using quotations, she's using parenthetical citations throughout in her problem section. And this is all research that she had done for her A2. She may have picked different quotes for her A3, but these are the sources that she used in her A2 to establish the background that her new stakeholder would need to know about the problem. And then in addition, she had to do different kinds of research. I would say more like field research to figure out, for example, the kinds of resources that she would need to use to build raised garden beds, and that she estimated their costs, which means she had to do some looking online about how much materials cost and that sort of thing. So that's new research. And then she's also included figures. These she drew herself. Actually, these she got from the Monterey County Farm to School Partnership. And this is from the Maggie K Foundation. So she's also done research on graphics that would fit her proposal. But other than that, she's basically used her A2 research to translate to A3. And you should look at this student sample as a reminder for how to do so. And then I'm just going to point out I'm going to point you back to the A3 Genre Conventions PowerPoint that I sent on Monday. And I attached that in that email, or the Canvas announcement that went to your email, and then put it also in A3 resources. And this has the breakdown of the sections. And you'll notice that the problem section is likely the section that includes the bulk of your research. So you're going to be doing maybe a little bit of new research, but you're also going to be relying on your A2 research and translating that to A3. Thank you so much.